Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can easily integrate Amazon products into your Wix website. Let's get started. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site to open the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to find the Amazon product you want to add. After finding the product, simply copy the product's link by pressing Ctrl+C. Now, open a website called iframegenerator.com and paste the Amazon product link in the provided space. After you click Generate, the site will create a code that you can use to embed the product on your website. Once the code is ready, copy it. Next, go back to the Wix website editor and click on Add to insert a new element. Scroll down and select the Embed Code option, then click on HTML code and paste the code you copied earlier. Hit Update and wait for it to load. You can adjust the size of the embedded box to make sure it fits well on your page. Once that's done, you'll have the Amazon product integrated right onto your Wix site. Finally, to check if everything works, preview your site and click on the embedded product. It should redirect you to the Amazon product page, and as expected, it will work just like that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing.